Okay, guys, could you please confirm? Am I audible? Online people, please confirm, guys. Fine, thank you. गावकरी मन लावून लक्ष द्या आज. कळलं का? कारण तू एकटाच आहे जो काहीच नाही शिकला माझ्यापासून. हा. Okay, guys. So we'll start the introduction to the OpenCV. Listen, one thing is this is a huge library, big library, right? First of all, right? So we'll try to take maximum among that, right? कितना हम maximum ले सकते हैं? Because if you go to the documentation, बहुत कुछ है. This is the entire documentation of the OpenCV. So you will find out many things. If you wanted to refer a tutorial, so you can refer this one, OpenCV Python hyphen tutorials. If you go down this one, documentation, read with the docs. So guys, बहुत ही बेस्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन है. मैं भी यही यूज कर रहा हूँ. ठीक है, particularly, right? So you will find everything related to the OpenCV here. आपने कभी जियो हॉट्स नाम सुना है? नहीं सुना है? So if you want a video kind of thing, you go with the Geo Hots guys. है ना? He's a very good guy and a phenomenal guy. He's a computer hacker and computer engineer, right? Right. So he has a very good content related to the OpenCV and all these things, right? आपको वीडियो देखना पसंद है तो इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ. So you can watch that guy. I already told you if you wanted to watch a good things now, you follow the other people outside the India, right? Fine. Okay. Let's talk about the thing. Suppose I'm talking about the modern computer vision. Understand, guys, brief overview where exactly, what exactly we are going to learn in the OpenCV. Modern computer vision, particularly it talks about the, I already given the uh, explanation at the time of CNN, right? So if you talk about the modern computer vision, guys, it is borrowing the concepts from many subjects, right? OpenCV, particularly if I'm talking about the computer vision, it is borrowing the concept from many subjects. First subject if I'm talking is the digital signal processing. Because if you remember, we talk about the images, we talk about the images channels. If it is a grayscale image, you are having a one channel. If it is a RGB image, you are having a three channels. Right? These channels and all this term are coming from the digital signal processing. Guys, अगर आपने पढ़ा होगा तो this is also for a computer science student, final year subject, right? आपने ये तो सुना, electronic people have learned this thing, analog signal processing. Right? Mostly the electronic and communication engineer will learn this, right? This is the one subject, case. Second thing, you are having the concept of linear algebra. So we are using lots of matrix operation in this case. Lots of matrices. We are not discussing about the too much vector operation because not required. Right? It's same like a transformation, image transformation. अगर आप computer science के हो, you learn one subject called computer graphics, where we learn the theta transformation, DD algorithm, right? All point drawing algorithm, line drawing algorithm, right? So you will find out some of the concept, particularly the image transformation concept from that, right? Then the third thing will be the image processing. right? Image processing, you can find out the convolution kind of a concepts, right? Where you are usually using the Fourier transform, right? Laplace transform, Z transform, right? Like this, right? Fourth thing will be the our favorite, machine learning, right? So lots of machine learning is also getting used, particularly in the case of computer vision, guys. You people are already good in machine learning, that I'm assuming, right? So you can use the many machine learning algorithm, particularly in the case of computer vision, right? Then if I talk about the deep learning is a star thing for a computer vision, guys. Have you heard about SOTA? मराठी वर्ड नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. मराठी word SOTA meaning is different. है. So if I'm talking about the SOTA means state of arts, right? Right. If you talk about state of arts, so lots of state of art algorithms in computer vision is getting solved using deep learning algorithm. It's getting solved using deep learning. So deep learning is a very crucial thing for the computer vision, guys. Again, I'm telling, particularly CNN, right? We have seen the variations of the CNN, AlexNet, ResNet, RetinaNet, YOLO, right? Right. So all these things should required particularly for the computer vision, right? And the most important thing is, guys, that is this is the extra thing we required, which is a computational photography. Computational photography, right? This is the most crucial thing nowadays for the image processing, guys, right? Because everyone are having a smartphone. Smartphone is having a high dimensional camera. Let's take the example, guys. Suppose you are taking a picture at a night. Picture at a night, right? Usually you are having a night view. नाइट ओके, यहाँ पे फोटो निकालने वाले बहुत हैं, इसलिए मैं पूछ रहा हूँ. यूजुअली यू विल टेक अ नाइट व्यूज, राइट? सो अगर आप देखोगे यहाँ पे पर्टिकुलरली, लेट्स टेक गाइस, यू विल टेक अ इमेज विद डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ एक्सपोजर्स, राइट? अगर मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि कैमरा इज एट हाई एक्सपोजर, ओवर एक्सपोजर, so you will see the more brightness or more whiteness in the image, correct? If I'm telling that camera is, if your camera is overexposed, right, you will find that it will be a more white image. आपको दिखेगा, आपके आंखें ऐसे फ्लैश हो जाएंगी इफ यू सी दैट पर्टिकुलर इमेज इज ओवर वाइट. ज्यादा वाइट क्लियर है बट इट्स रिफ्लेक्टिंग मोर, राइट? बट द कैमरा, इफ यू आर टेकिंग द images in the underexposed way, yes guys, ये सारे कैमरा के वर्ड्स, ओवर एक्सपोज्ड पिक्चर, अंडर एक्सपोज्ड पिक्चर, राइट? द इमेज विल बी फाइंड आउट ब्लैक. आप देखना कभी कभी कि इफ यू आर टेकिंग इमेज, जैसे लो क्वालिटी कैमरा है, जैसे कि आप कोई भी एक फोन ले लीजिए, नॉर्मल फोन, एंड्रॉइड फोन, आप यूजुअली यू टेक इमेज इन दी डार्क, तो आपको वो इमेज पूरा डार्क दिखेगा, थोड़े थोड़े चित्र दिखेंगे सिर्फ उसमें, राइट? दैट इज अंडर एक्सपोज्ड, राइट? सो इन दैट केस द इमेज इज ब्लैक. आपको पिक्चर तो दिख रहा है बट इट इज लुकिंग लाइक अ ब्लैक. लेट मी शो यू, अगर होगा पिक्चर्स तो लेट मी शो, यू विल गेट मोर क्लैरिटी. ओवर एक्सपोज्ड कैमरा इमेज, देखिए guys, आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. देखिए, if you see this overexposed, right, the whiteness is more, right? And if you see the underexposed, underexposed आपको एक्सरे से समझ ही आ गया होगा. अंडर एक्सपोज इमेज, ये देखिएगा इस डार्कनेस. कॉन्सेप्ट को समझिए बोल रहा हूं मैं, है ना? इमेज को नहीं, कॉन्सेप्ट को समझिए कि व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग ओवर एक्सपोज एंड आई एम टेलिंग व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग अंडर एक्सपोज, राइट? सो व्हाट दिस कंप्यूटेशनल ज्योमेट्री विल डू, गाइस, कंप्यूटेशनल photography will do, it will combine these under exposed, 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 under exposed image and overexposed image and generate a new image. मैं बता दो आपका जो HDR है ना, HDR पता है ना सबको? HDR is having this algorithm guys. इसलिए आप कैसा भी पिक्चर निकालो हाई क्वालिटी कैमरा में, it will it will show you very good image particularly. So जितने भी कैमरास आप देख रहे हो, they are following a particular image, particular algorithms guys, so that you can see the picture very in a better way, right? This is the computational photography guys, right? Not only this, you can do many things with the computational photography. There's a one more thing as multi-view geometry. Seventh, multi-view geometry. Multi-view geometry, एक सिंपल सा एग्जांपल देता हूँ, listen. Let's take you have an image, right? In the image, let's say this person, और let's say एक ऑब्जेक्ट है, मान लीजिए एक पर्सन है, उसका आप इमेज निकाल रहे हो. Let's take this is the image, this is the person. Now you are having a camera and you are taking a picture from this view, right? This is the first view. Now from here you are having a camera, you are taking the picture from the second view. Here also you are having a camera, you are taking the views from this angle, तो आपका ये third view. Similarly you are having a fourth view. लेते हो ना आप? अगर आप सी के सामने खड़े हो या ऊपर खड़े हो पहाड़ पे, तो यू विल टेक अ पिक्चर्स इन द डिफरेंट डिफरेंट व्यू. इधर गॉगल लगा के, उधर गॉगल लगा के, यूजुअली यू विल टेक अ पिक्चर लाइक दिस, right? So same thing is what this multi-view geometry will do. It will combine all the views and it will generate a 3D object of that, right? So it will take a pictures. So all the pitch it will combines all the pictures of different views and generates the 3D object. Correct? This will generate a 3D object, right? So guys, this is the usual things that you require. This is the basic fundamentals for a computer vision, right? Apart from that, again, new things are coming particular, but this is the basic fundamentals required for the modern computer vision. So those people who wanted to get expertise in the computer vision, this is the basic fundamental that you should be strong, right? मैं आपको बता देता हूँ. Overall guys, अगर आप देखोगे multi-view geometry, minimum you required to get hands-on on the multi-view geometry is 3 months, right? If you started learning the computational photography, it will take 2 months, right? Deep learning you already know, right? Machine learning you already know, right? So if you talk about the overall, you will take 1 year to get expertise in computer vision, right? Because you should be good in too many areas, right? So if you wanted to become expert in the computer vision, this is the reality guys. मैं जो है वो बोल रहा हूँ आपको, है ना? Because it's not like that कि if you have a 6 to 7 months of a least upper bound of a syllabus, 10 days and 15 days you will give for a computer vision and it will over. ऐसा कभी नहीं हो सकता, right? It's a vast range of syllabus guys. देखो आप अगर पढ़े हो तो digital signal processing is a 1 semester subject guys and engineering, right? Linear algebra भी हम एक semester में पढ़ते हैं. Machine learning is a 2 semester subjects. Supervised और unsupervised machine learning. Deep learning is a 1 semester subject. उससे हिसाब से आप कैलकुलेट करो तो it will be more than 1 year, right? But if you wanted to do the specialization particularly in this, so you should be very good in this basic fundamental. This is the basic fundamentals I'm telling guys, right? Modern things will be more, right? You can learn the more variational deep learning model, right? So that you will get a much more clarity, particularly related to the images and all these things, right? Fine. Okay, this is the just talking about the modern computer vision, right? Let's talk about, I'm discussing about this library called OpenCV, guys, right? So it's a very famous or very popular library for computer vision and बहुत ही पुरानी library है guys. कोई नई library तो नहीं है. You will find out the versions, right? OpenCV, CV stand for computer vision, आपको पता है, right? Open stand for What is open stands for, guys? Open stands for open source, guys. Open source means anybody can use the source code, anybody can change the source code. That is the meaning of open source, right? Okay. Now, guys, particularly if I'm talking about the OpenCV, just open the Jupyter, guys. So you just type here pip install OpenCV. Sorry, OpenCV. Jupyter open होता है ना लैपटॉप मध्ये. I hope guys everybody किसी का installation problem है क्या? Just run this command, guys. Laptop. Then you just write down this thing, guys. How to use this one? You just write import CV to as a CV. This is the library name, guys. You know, this is the alias. Okay, listen, guys. Most of the functionality of OpenCV is written in C++. Most of the functionality of the OpenCV is written in C++, right? So Python will be used as a wrapper, right? Because internally it is implemented in the C++ only. So you can say that Python will be used as wrapper, Wrapper means you are writing a code. We are writing a code in a Python, and this Python code is implicitly calling the C++ code, right, to perform a particular functionality. This Python code is implicitly, I hope everyone know implicitly calling the C++ code. It's same like a TensorFlow, guys. Most of the core functionality of the TensorFlow is written in C++, right? Right. It same like, and most of the is written in C++. So there also Python will be working like a wrapper, right? Because the entire TensorFlow is implemented in the C++, right? So you are writing a code in a Python. That Python code is implicitly calling your C++ code. See, guys, as a beginner, you work with a Python. You use the OpenCV with a Python. But if you want it to be expert, you have to use a C++, guys, right? That's for sure, right? But if you wanted to use a C++, guys, make sure that you are a good software engineer, right? That is for sure, right? So this is we are not going it till the expert level, guys, है ना? Our focus मैं तो आपको पहले ही बता रहा हूँ कि mostly people fascinated towards the NLP than vision, है ना? तो आपको भी NLP ज्यादा अच्छा लगा होगा, आज आपको विजन ज्यादा अच्छा लगेगा, right? Fine. So this is the usual case, particularly in this. Okay. Now, if you see here, guys, this is my library name, correct? And this is my alias. So download any image, guys. Particularly download JPEG image. Come on, guys, download fast. So I'm writing here image one cv dot im read. Im read is a function to read the image. So I'm writing here cv dot im show. I'm writing here the label image. I'm writing here img1. Let me write down here. I will tell you guys, don't worry everything. बड़े सिंपल सा चीज है. CV dot, sorry. Run this one, guys. CV dot wait की बराबर है ना function. You have taken alias. Capital. Okay, now understand, guys, what exactly it is representing. Let me rerun it from start. See, guys, this is the kind of image you will get. Right? Everyone got it? जल्दी जल्दी करो guys. Online people, गावकरी झालं का? आली का तुझी इमेज? सर हो गया क्या? लेट मी नो गाइस. एवरीवन डन? पीछे हो गया? Now let's see, guys. This is the image. Correct. Now understand these functions, right? So the first function is what? To read the image, right? बहुत simple है guys. We'll do a simple task. CV2 का में 2 क्या है? वर्जन है guys. So whenever I'm writing here CV dot I am read, right? It is used to read the image, right? Second thing, if you see here I am show, right? CV dot I am show. CV dot read किसके लिए गाँव करी? To read the image. Right? Second one, if you see, it is used to show the image. Simple. So we are using for a different kinds of a thing. Installation on error, guys. आपको जो क्या बोलते हैं इसको सिंटैक्स एरर आ रहा है ना guys, you rectify it yourself. Installation error, syntax error, you rectify by yourself. Then we have used one function called cv dot wait key. See guys, this function अगर आपको पता है तो have you heard about this function called get ch? है ना? C++ में you have heard this function that get ch. Usually guys, get ch we are using to hold the output window, right? So this wait key is also holding this image, right? I'm writing here 0 means it is telling that undefined time. कितने भी time के लिए it is holding unless you close it or unless you press any key. But suppose I'm writing like this. Suppose I'm writing like this, 5000. It is going for 5000 millisecond, means 5 seconds. So it will show it for 5 seconds and it will go. Okay. Guys, कुछ नहीं है, just it's a syntax है ना. Main thing for us is how this internally working है ना. Syntax कुछ नहीं matter करता. And the next thing, if you see here, this one, this is cv dot destroy all windows. What it will do guys, it will destroy all the resources which is generated by IMShow. Right? अगर already कोई image open होगा तो it will close that one and it will show this one. Right? जैसे clear screen, CLR, SCR आपने C++ में use किया. Same thing. Right? So what it will do? It will close all the resources used by IMShow. Simple. End of the day, guys, listen one thing. End of the day, this is the function. And function requires a syntax. Right? If you're not getting any syntax, go through Google and search the syntax. That is not at all issue. So main thing is internally how it's working. तो जनरल क्वेश्चन आपको नहीं पूछ रहा है कोई कि व्हाट इज द लॉन्ग फॉर्म ऑफ ओपन सीवी, व्हाई यू हैव यूज्ड टू, है ना? ऐसे क्वेश्चंस कोई नहीं पूछता. Fine. Okay. Now let's take, guys, I'm doing one thing. Suppose you have an image like this. We have shown this image. This is the image. Correct. Now what I'm trying to do here, listen. If I only print this image one, suppose I'm writing an image one. What it is giving you? It is giving you a matrix, guys. Correct. It is giving you the matrix. We already told that each image is represented with a pixel. Right? और ये कैसे image है? This is the color image. Right? So I'm telling that, suppose I'm writing here img dot shape. Right? It's a 3-dimensional. Correct? So if you see here img1, तो आपको कुछ याद आ रहेगा guys. I told that we have coded the CNN from the scratch now. We have first coded the convolution from the scratch. Then I told you to code the max pooling by using simple Python. Right? Now we are giving the image as an input. Right? So image should be converted into matrix form now. Right? Then we'll use the flattening layer and then the convolution will start. Then the pooling will start, everything. Right? So initially when you give the image as an input, you can directly use OpenCV to convert into the matrix and train your convolution neural network from the scratch. The way we have coded ANN, guys, by using a classes and object, same scenario, we can code the CNN from the scratch. Although you need to implement the multiple functions only. Right? Try किया क्या आपने max pooling को code किया? नहीं किया होगा. अगर आप नहीं करोगे तो कैसे होगा भाई? मुश्किल है फिर. Right? Compulsory, guys, you need to code it from the scratch. Anyway, we have coded max pool किया तो average pool और mean pool क्या है guys? Nothing will be there ना. Just एक एक लाइन ही तो चेंज करना है. Right? So please try that one. नहीं तो मेरे को ही करने देना था उस दिन. Fine. Okay. This is what, this is you are getting image. Let's take now understand. Whenever I'm writing here, img.ship, right? It is returning you these things. It is returning you this tuple, right? It is returning you this tuple, right? So it's a three-dimensional tuple, guys. And if you observe this one, every image is a collection of pixels. एक काम करिए guys, if you see here, if you zoom every image ना आप end तक उसको zoom करते रहे, you will see the small boxes of the color. That box is representing a pixel, right? So if you see here in this case, you are having a 276, right? So you are having an image like this, guys. Let's check. This is the image that you have, right? Here they have mentioned 276, 183. So this one will be the height 276 pixel height, and this is a 183 pixel wide, right? And this three representing the colors, correct? I can write like this, and I'm telling that this 276 is a pixel, 276 pixel is a height, right? 183 will be a wide, pixel will be the width, you can say that. This three is representing a color. Color means you are having a RGB. It's a color image now, so it is having a RGB. So guys, आप ऐसा करिए कि every image we can represent with the help of matrix. Correct. So you can think like this, है ना? कि suppose you have a three now, so you are having a three matrix like this. Same size, guys. You are having a same height and same width here. Let me take this is the another matrix, right? Let me take this is another matrix, right? You can say that this is the R G B, right? The pixel that you have, same pixel you have here, right? So this value is belongs to the red one, this value is belongs to the green one, and this value is belongs to the blue one, right? And each value in the range of 0 to 255. Range will be from 0 to 255, correct? Each value is ranging from 0 to 255. अब guys इसको थोड़ा सा देखिए कि if you see this one, right, अगर आप इसको सही से देखोगे तो is nothing but if you take the color image particularly, it's a stacking of three matrix. आप इस तीनों मैट्रिक्स को स्टैक करो, you will get an image, right? So I can say that this is nothing but the stacking of three matrices. कोई भी image लो, image is a stacking of matrices. Let me write down this point. अब guys you are having a three values in the matrix, है ना? जैसे कि आप इसको consider करो three dimensional matrix. Three dimensional matrix means definitely it will be a tensor, right? So definitely it will be a tensor. So you will get like this, guys. For example, suppose I am telling this one, this is the one R matrix, this is the G, and this is the B. So you will get like this. Suppose I am writing R, G, B. If I am taking all the values as a 0, and if I am taking all the values as a 1, what's color is representing as? अगर मैं सारे वैल्यू 0 कर रहा हूं, R0, G0, B0, what color it is representing? White or green? White or black? This will represent a white, guys. And this will represent a black. Suppose I am writing here 0, 1, 0. Right? Sorry, instead of 0, I'm writing, sorry, you have to write here 255. 255. And I'm writing here 255. Right? So let me write down here. You have a combination like this, guys. You are having a RGB. I'm writing here 0, 0, 0. It will be your white. Correct? If you are writing here 255, 255, and you are writing here 255, it will be your black. Correct. Now, next, suppose I am writing here 0, 255, 0. It will be your green, like this. So for each one, you are having a value. Each pixel, you are having a three value in this case. So this all three are the same pixel, guys. From here, you will get one value. Here, you will get one value, and here you will get one value. So it will form a tuple. Right? So मैंने आपको बोला था कि we have seen the convolution on the grayscale image. तो मैंने आपको बोला था सेम वे वी कैन परफॉर्म द कन्वोल्यूशन ऑन आरजीबी. मैंने बताया भी था आपको क्यूब निकाल के. Right, but to show three dimensional it will be different. The convolution will be happen in very different way in the case of three dimensional image. Okay, now guys, see, this is the shape is telling to you. Okay, now what I will do, I will do one thing. See, I'm writing here image one, and I'm trying to write 100 comma 100. What it is giving, guys? If I'm writing here image one 100 comma 100, resize. I'm asking you what is the value at the 100 width and 100 height. So see guys, अगर आप देखोगे, this is what, हाँ, you are having a components. मैंने बोला ना आपको पिक्सल वैल्यूज है यहाँ पे. Right, so if you see here this one, it is representing the components. This array is representing the components. You can say that this one will be, this 112 will be the R component. Right, this is the G component, this is the B component. This you can call it as the R component and remaining. Correct. अब कैसे एक क्वेश्चन है आपके लिए. राइट, सो लेट्स टेक दिस इमेज, है ना. मैं इस इमेज को दिखाता हूँ. दिस इमेज. करेक्ट. इस इमेज को आप देखोगे, छोटा इमेज है. लेट मी ट्राई टू ड्रैग इट. नहीं हो रहा है. सो लेट्स टेक, ये इमेज है आपके पास गाइस. आई वांटेड टू आई वांटेड टू शो दिस फुटबॉल दिस साइड आल्सो. राइट, इधर भी दिखाना है, इधर भी दिखाना है. आई एम टेलिंग दैट आई जस्ट वांटेड टू कॉपी दिस वन and paste it here. Means I wanted to show here two footballs. Right? I am not talking about the background here. Background is getting changed. Right? हम कोई image वाला जादू नहीं कर रहे हैं. Right? What I want here, guys, I wanted to just copy and kept here. Right? This football. Right? So आप कर सकते हो guys इसको. I'm getting a particular through index ना. कर सकते हो इसलिए बोल रहा हूं मैं. You are accessing everything with the help of index ना. So you just need to make a changes in the index ना. अब आपको देखना है कि ये फुटबॉल किस इंडेक्स पे है, और वेयर एग्जैक्टली यू नीड टू कीप दैट इंडेक्स आल्सो यू नीड टू गेट. You simply assign the value to this one. You will find out the two footballs. Yes or no? Try to check a different index guys. फिर हम इसको कोड करते हैं स्क्रैच से. अब इंडेक्स कैसे निकालोगे? यू हैव टू डू अ ट्राई एंड एरर. कोई ऑप्शन नहीं. ये समझा क्या गाइस व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से? वी विल सी द न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट ना, इमेज ब्लेंडिंग. राइट, कंपलसरी गाइस हम मैच देखेंगे हर चीज के पीछे का. सो दैट हम इसको भी स्क्रैच से कोड कर पाएंगे. राइट, कैसे देखोगे गाइस? ऐसे लिखो क्या? I wanted to see this pixel. Let's check. Can I write like this? Image 1 of 100 cross 100. Just to बोली. See what it is showing. इतना सा पोर्शन दिखा रहा है वो. This one. What is the order of a matrix that you have guys here? 276, 183, right? So let me check at 200 and 180. दिखा रहा है? नहीं. So you need to identify this thing guys. ड्रैग नहीं करना है. You can easily check the pixel guys. कोई डिफिकल्ट टास्क नहीं है पिक्सल चेक. यू नीड टू गेट दैट पिक्सल. जैसे कि मान लीजिए कि मैंने यहाँ पे एक ये बनाया राइट. फुटबॉल नाम का वेरिएबल. करेक्ट. आई राइट हियर इमेज वन. उसके पिक्सल. राइट. And then what I will do guys, I will assign this thing to the particular image. That's it. So that I will see that the particular thing is getting changed there. समझ रहा है क्या? ऑनलाइन पीपल. प्रवीण सर कैसे क्या आ गया आज क्लास को? समझ रहा है क्या आर्यन? कृष्णा कृष्णा क्यों ऑनलाइन कर रहा है? हाँ. कृष्णा को मिलने बोलो मेरे से. हाँ guys, may I know the pixel? Let's take as up to that you read one more image, right? We'll read one more image. OP. Okay. This is the another image here. This is the OpenCV logo. So remember one thing, guys, if you see every image, if you are representing with the help of matrix, obviously we can perform the matrix algebra, right? So we can perform matrix addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. डिवीजन होती है मैट्रिक्स की, मैट्रिक्स डिवीजन गाइस। मैं क्रामर्स रूल नहीं बोल रहा, राइट? दैट इज अ डिफरेंट। कैन वी डिवाइड अ मैट्रिक्स? So whatever the operation that we can perform with the matrix, same operation we can perform here, guys, on the images. Now we are going to see the image blending. Guys, हम इसको स्क्रैच से कोड करेंगे इस कॉन्सेप्ट को। So let me show what is image blending. हो गया क्या आपका? So guys, this is the kind of image blending, right? This is the kind of image blending, right? डन? नहीं हुआ? बाद में करो, right? Listen guys, what I'm trying to say, image blending का मतलब क्या है guys? You have a two image, and if you see in this image, you are trying to show the proportions of the image. ये जो नीचे वाला image है, it is having in the higher proportion. Second image you are showing in the small proportion. इसको बोलते हैं blend. Blend means we are combining a two image, right? Particularly we are combining and we are generating the new image with the help of this two image, right? So blending का concept बहुत simple, आपने Photoshop में किया होगा, right? So image blending means we are combining a multiple image to generate a new image, right? And we are showing the proportions also, right? So guys, understand this mathematically, right? Image blending, अगर आप देखोगे, so equation of a image blending is like this: g of x equals to f of 0 of x plus f of 1 of x. I'm writing here alpha minus 1 into, I'm writing here alpha into f1 of x plus gamma. This is the equation of the image blending. Now understand guys how mathematically it is getting performed. Mathematically is nothing but the mathematically image blending is a weighted sum of matrix. Mathematically the image blending is nothing but the weighted sum of a matrix. देखिए guys इक्वेशन क्या है, ये पार्ट हमारे लिए क्रूशियल है गाइस, हमारे लिए सिंटैक्स क्रूशियल नहीं है, बिकॉज ये समझ गया तो विल कोड इट फ्रॉम द स्क्रैच, है ना? बाकी तो फिर आप सिंटैक्स तो कहीं से भी ढूंढ लोगे, राइट? सो आई एम राइटिंग हियर लाइक दैट g of x इक्वल्स टू, आई एम राइटिंग हियर अल्फा माइनस 1 f of 0, I will tell alpha guys, don't worry, f of 0 of x plus I am writing here alpha into f of 1 of x. Forget about the gamma, है ना? हम हमारे केस में gamma 0 है, let's take, I'm writing gamma equals to 0. Correct. We are having a two images. You consider f of 0 of x is representing the image 1. Correct. And what is image 1? Image 1 is a matrix case. Correct. F of 1 of x, it is representing a image 2. And what is image 2? Image 2 is also a matrix. Correct. And alpha is varying between 0 to 1 guys. Alpha is varying between 0 to 1. Let's take, suppose I am telling that your alpha value is 0.3. So if you see here 1 minus alpha, मैंने उल्टा लिख दिया guys, 1 minus alpha. So your 1 minus alpha value will be 0.7. Right? Means I am giving more weightage to the image 1 and less weightage to the image 2. मतलब आपका image 1 में image 2 है वो smaller proportion में दिखाएगा. This is the thing we are trying to do. ये समझा क्या? Everyone? Red shirt. So what we are trying to do guys is simple weighted average कितनी बार किया हमने data science में? Right? Weighted sum, weighted average. So what I'm trying to say, this f of 0 is representing the image 1, which is nothing but a matrix. F of 2 is also f of 1 is representing the image 2, which is also a matrix. What I'm trying to do guys, end of the day, g of x is your blended image, right? What happened? G of x is nothing but your blended image, right? So this is your blended image. How blended image is giving to you? See, this alpha 1 minus alpha, this is the weighted sum, or you can say that this is the weights. This is the weight. I am multiplying with this f of 0 image. This is nothing but a matrix case. Matrix 1 of the image 0 plus alpha into this one will be your matrix 2. Correct? It will generate a blended image. Equation समझा क्या guys? हर function का mathematical form है vision में. Because end of the day it's a matrix multiplication. Transformation पे जाएंगे, you will find out the optimization functions also. Right? So what we are trying to see here guys, कि हम इतना नहीं पढ़ने वाले guys, पहले मैं आपको बता दे रहा, बिकॉज ऐसे जाएंगे हम तो इट विल टेक 1 मंथ 2 मंथ्स। हमारे लिए सिर्फ थोड़ी चीजें रिक्वायर्ड है, दैट वी विल डिस्कस। ओके, विल सी सम ऑफ द कॉन्सेप्ट, ऑब्जेक्ट डिटेक्शन है ना, उसके अलावा एनोटेशन, योलो, राइट, दिस थिंग विल डिस्कस। ओके, सो व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू सी गाइस, अब देखिए हम क्या कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे कि आई हैव टेकन द वैल्यू, योर फंक्शन इज लाइक दिस, g ऑफ x इक्वल्स टू, इंटरेस्टिंग है गाइस, wherever you will find a maths, it's more interesting. So you are finding here f of 0 of x plus alpha into f of 1 of x. Correct. ऐसा इक्वेशन है. I'm taken here alpha value equals to 0.3. So 1 minus alpha value will be 0.7. Correct? इतना समझा? अब देखना guys कि I'm writing here, you are getting here 0.7. It's a weights I am giving to the image one. आपको हमेशा वेट देना पड़ेगा गाइस, अल्फा वैल्यू इज वैरिंग फ्रॉम 0 to 1. फंक्शन का नाम है cv2.add weights. You will find the image 1, image 2, and you are giving the weight 0.7, 0.3. That is the syntax for this one. You are writing here 0.7 of f0 of x plus 0.3 into f1 of x. Right? So this is what, this is the weight, means 70% I wanted to show the first image, means I'm giving a more weightage to the first image. So first image होगा वो सबसे बड़ा दिखेगा मेरा, और जो second image होगा, that second image will be the in the small portion of the first image. That is the meaning of that, है ना, ये मेरा weightage. अब guys थोड़ा सा सोचिए कि what is this? This is the 3-dimensional matrix, बराबर? तो आपका ऐसा मैट्रिक्स है, you are having this matrix, right? Let's assume that this is the one matrix. It is having a 3 values case, बराबर? इस मैट्रिक्स के 3 वैल्यूज, right? So what I will do for each value, suppose you are having a pixel like this, let's take 100, this is the r component, let's take 25, just example है ना, this is a 50, this is the red component, this is the green component, and this is the blue component. Correct? So whenever I'm applying this weights guys, this 0.7 is multiplied to every value in the matrix. Correct? The 0.7 is multiplied with every value in the matrix. Correct? तब ये देखो guys, weights is multiplied with that matrix. Similarly, the 0.3 is also getting multiplied with every value of the matrix. And what is this matrix? This is the image 1 and image 2. Right? तो आप क्या कर रहे हो? First you are doing a scalar operation on the matrix. This is the scalar multiplication. You are multiplying with a 1 minus alpha. This is also scalar multiplication. After doing the scalar multiplication, you are adding these two matrices. Right? So this is the weights, and you are doing after multiplying with the weights, you are summing up. That is nothing but the weighted sum. इसलिए फंक्शन का नाम है add weights. That's cv2.add weights. Correct. So this is giving you the weighted sum here. अब देखिए guys, अगर ये weighted sum दे रहा है तो आप थोड़ा सा सोचिए कि हमको इसको स्क्रैच से कोड करना है, just because the weighted sum is the output which is your blended image. राइट? तो सिंपली मुझे क्या करना है गाइस, मैट्रिक्स को आइटरेट करना है. राइट? नाउ व्हाट विल हैपन, आप एक काम करिए, सिंपल सा फंडा रखिए, फॉरगेट अबाउट दी 3 मैट्रिक्स, क्योंकि अगर मैं, अच्छा ठीक है, आपको 3-डायमेंशनल अरे पता है क्या? numpy array guys, you are having a 3-dimensional numpy array like this. So for each point you are having a 3 values. कि मैं नहीं चाहता आप numpy यूज करो, मैं चाहता हूं कि सिंपल फॉर लूप यूज करो, है ना? सो यू हैव 3 वैल्यूज, यू कैन राइट 3 लूप्स देयर. राइट? तो अब मैं क्या बोल रहा हूं कि नहीं तो फिर उससे सिंपल कर दोगे. सो यू आर हैविंग अ मैट्रिक्स, इमेज मैट्रिक्स, each values are having a 3 values tuple. This is also a tuple, this is also a tuple like this. Correct? So first thing what I need to do guys, this is the ith row and this is the jth column. Correct. So simply first loop, for loop I in a range of len of, let's take image वन. बहुत सिंपल कोड है इसलिए मैं बोला, राइट. देन अगेन यू आर हैविंग फॉर j इन अ रेंज len ऑफ इमेज वन ऑफ जीरो. मैट्रिक्स कोड आपको अच्छे से आता है ना ऑनलाइन, right? So once you're done guys, each value you will get that particular tuple. That tuple I need to multiply it with a 0.7. Second image again I will get that image I need to multiply it with a 0.05 and then you sum it. जो मैट्रिक्स मिलता है सम करने के लिए एक काम करिए, यू कन्वर्ट दिस टू डायमेंशनल लिस्ट इनटू द एरे, numpy array, and then you do array 1 plus array 2, you will get it that one, right? जैसे ही आपको मैट्रिक्स मिला, you use the function called I'm show, you will see the blended image. इतना सिंपल है. So initially what you need to do, क्या करना है guys, I hope आपको समझा. क्या पहले ये बताऊं, मैं जो बोला वो समझा क्या, कि इसको कोड कैसे करना है, नहीं समझा? देखिए मैंने क्या बोला यहाँ पे कि, इसलिए बोला ना पाइथन करो. लेट्स से गेस यू आर हैविंग अ इमेज वन. इमेज वन का मैट्रिक्स मुझे कहां से मिलेगा, ये यहां से मिला ना गेस. इफ आई एम राइटिंग हियर cv2 डॉट आई एम शो, आई एम रीड, अगर मैंने इसको रीड किया पहले, राइट, आई एम रीड, सो इट विल रीड द इमेज, राइट. इमेज मींस कलेक्शन ऑफ पिक्सल. सो इफ यू सी हियर यू विल गेट अ मैट्रिक्स. इमेज से आपको ये मैट्रिक्स मिला. इट इज हैविंग अ वेरियस पैरामीटर, राइट. आपको इतना बड़ा इमेज नहीं लेना है तो यू टेक अ ग्रे स्केल इमेज. छोटा सा इमेज लो कोई भी, यू विल फाइंड आउट द स्मॉल मैट्रिक्स देयर. छोटा सा ऑब्जेक्ट लो, यू विल फाइंड अ स्मॉल मैट्रिक्स देयर, राइट. सो यू टेक दैट मैट्रिक्स, यू कन्वर्ट गाइस, इसलिए बोल रहा हूं ना बहुत इजी है गाइस, और आपका पाइथन का भी प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगा, राइट. हम पाइथन किसी भी चीज में डाल सकते हैं गाइस इन एंटायर डेटा साइंस कोर्स, बिकॉज दिस एंटायर कोर्स इज अ पाइथन कोर्स ओनली. So if you see here, this is the matrix, right? I am getting here this matrix. ये मुझे कहां से मिलेगा, image one and image two. This both things I will get from this I am read, and you got this one. You got this two matrix guys now. अब मुझे को सेपरेटली आइटरेट करना है दिस टू मैट्रिक्स को. मैंने और सिंपल बताया guys, अगर आप इस ब्लेंडेड का कोड देखोगे इट इज मोर इन ऑप्टिमाइज वे. वो थोड़ी डो लूप यूज करेगा यहाँ पे इंटरनली टू ऑप्टिमाइज दैट कोड. पहले आप फॉर लूप तो करिए, विल थिंक अबाउट द ऑप्टिमाइजेशन, right? So I got here two matrix now, matrix 1 and matrix 2, correct? So matrix को iterate कैसे करते हो आप guys? So this is the matrix particularly. See guys, computer vision is all about the matrix, है ना. तो जितना आप ओपन सीवी का कोड करने जाओगे स्क्रैच से, राइट. अभी हम इमेज ब्लेंडिंग क्या कर रहे हैं, हो सकता है हम ऑब्जेक्ट डिटेक्शन भी स्क्रैच से करें, राइट. इट इज परफॉर्मिंग द रेक्टेंगल ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर पिक्सल्स, है ना, जो पिक्सल गिवन है, right? So here I am telling that you are having a ith row and you are having a jth column here, correct? तो मुझे इस एलिमेंट्स को आइटरेट करना है guys. So this element is at the position of 0,0, मतलब ये i वैल्यू है और ये j वैल्यू है. मैट्रिक्स को आइटरेट करने के लिए मुझे दो लूप चाहिए. So what I will do, I will write first loop for image for I in a range of len of, let's take image one matrix. तो ये क्या करेगा, दिस विल आइटरेट योर रो, राइट. और हर रो में मुझे क्या करना है, सॉरी, दिस विल आइटरेट व्हाट गाइस, जे इन रेंज. मैं बोल रहा हूं कि मुझे कॉलम आइटरेट करना है. You once you reach this one, this is the row, ith row, and then I need to grow from here. So this is the what, this is I'm moving the j, means I'm iterating the columns, correct? So यहाँ पे आप लिखते क्या हो, le, you know, because I wanted to iterate a column, so I'm writing here img1 of 0, correct? Now I got the first element. So what I will do, मैं एक नया मैट्रिक्स ले लेता हूं रिजल्ट, और उस रिजल्ट मैट्रिक्स में लिखूंगा रिजल्ट डॉट अपेंड. क्या मैंने लिख दिया पूरा कोड, अपेंड. यू राइट हियर 0.7 into दैट वैल्यू कौन सा वैल्यू है वो? आई एम जी ऑफ I comma j. This is the code for the matrix 1. Similarly, you do it for the matrix 2 and then you perform the addition. फिर से दो गाइस, टोटल दो लूप और दो लूप, 6 लूप लगेंगे एडिशन करने के लिए. इफ यू वांटेड टू डू इन अ मोर ऑप्टिमाइज्ड वे, यूज द numpy. Vectorization, everything will be considered as the vector. You will do it in the optimal way. समझा क्या? दिस वी कॉल इट एज द इमेज ब्लेंडिंग. राइट? समझा क्या गावकरी? फोन मध्ये काय आहे? काय आहे इमेज ब्लेंडिंग सा? गंमत वाटत नाही रे. हाँ guys, let me show you the function. cv2 dot add weights. This one. देखना, मैं इक्वेशन दिया ना आपको, अंडरलाइंग मैथमेटिकल फॉर्मूला. आपको हर चीज का फॉर्मूला मिलेगा गाइस इसमें. सो लेट मी गो विद द सिंटैक्स, है ना. दिस. सो हियर यू आर गिविंग द इमेज 1 अल्फा वैल्यू, इमेज 2 बीटा वैल्यू. ये गामा आपको देने का काम नहीं. राइट? समझे क्या? नाउ व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल कॉपी दिस सिंटैक्स बेटर. तो मेरे पास दो इमेज है गाइस, इमेज 1 एंड इमेज 2. लेट मी राइट डाउन हियर इमेज, इमेज 2. I am giving here 0.7. I am giving here 0.3. Let me run it. Right. There is a run CV. Sorry. You'll get an error. Right. The overload resolution fail. करेक्ट. तो गाइस सबसे पहले एक चीज देखिएगा कि दोनों इमेज का रेजोल्यूशन सेम है. दोनों का शेप देखिए. चेक इट द शेप ऑफ बोथ इमेज. कहा सर बोलना, अच्छा खासा ओपन सीवी चल रहा था, उसमें भी कोड डाल दिया. सो यू विल गेट अ एरर गाइस, है ना. नाउ यू चेक द इमेज 1 शेप, है ना. यू ऑलरेडी नो द इमेज 1 शेप. You see the image 2 shape, completely different, guys. You need to resize the image 2, guys. You are having a function called cv2 cv dot resize, right? So we'll explore the cv dot resize. Guys, this is the best blog ever. Pi image search. अगर आपको, if you wanted to do better thing in a computer vision, read this blog. Everything you will find from the older computer vision to the modern computer vision. Very famous blog, which is a Pi image search. I will share with the online people. So let me do one thing. cv2.resize. Let me resize that image. हाँ गैस, आप इमेज दो और साइज दो बस। लेट मी राइट लाइक दिस, रिसाइज्ड इमेज। इसका मतलब है गाइस, whenever you are doing a blending, the size of the image should be same. So I'm telling a resized image. You specify your img to. अब मैं क्या करता हूं कि आई विल कीप द सेम डायमेंशन व्हाट द इमेज इज हैविंग, राइट। तो सेम डायमेंशन मैं यहां पे रखता हूं एंड विल देन ट्राई टू डू द ब्लेंडिंग। सो मैं यहां पे लिख रहा हूं 183 कॉमा 276 CV, right? Now you check it, the shape of this. You got the both shapes same. So let me run it now. One overload resolution. Gamma value, let's check. इसीलिए गए सिंटैक्स बहुत इरिटेटिंग है। आप 2 मिनट 5 मिनट में 3 फॉर लूप लिख के कोड लिख सकते हो। क्या नाम है उसका, CV डॉट एड वेट्स। चेक द सिंटैक्स गाइस, व्हाट शुड वी चेंज इन, बाकी तो सब ठीक है। हाँ, यू कीप जीरो, सिर्फ जीरो रखना बाकी है वहां। नो व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल रन द सेम कोड इधर जो शो किया था, दिस ब्लेंडेड इमेज। You write your image here, DST. See guys, this is the blended image. See guys, we have few more 6 to 7 functions, right? अल्फा वैल्यू बोला ना गाइस, किधर ध्यान है। अल्फा वैल्यू विल ऑलवेज टेक फ्रॉम 0 to 1। ये 0.7 क्या है, अल्फा वैल्यू 1 - अल्फा वैल्यू, दिस इज व्हाट, 0.3 इज अल्फा वैल्यू। आई गेस सिंपल है, ओपन सीवी कुछ भी नहीं है ना। सो कितने फंक्शन पढ़ेगा ओकर अभी तक अपन ने, हाउ मेनी फंक्शन वी हैव लर्न। हाँ, फर्स्ट फंक्शन CV डॉट आई एम रेड क्या करता है, हाँ। देन CV डॉट आई एम शो क्या करता है, सी। और कौन सा फंक्शन है, cv डॉट एड वेटेड क्या करता है? So guys, you try the code from the scratch for blending. You will get much more clarity about this concept. See guys, few uh, or six functions है that we have to know. That's it. इतना ही काफी. It will again take 2 hours. So कल भी हमारा विजन ही चलेगा. ओपन सीवी. Right. And if possible, we'll कल ही डिस्कस कर देते प्री ट्रेन रेजनेट एलेक्सनेट that will be better. So vision part will be over here itself, right? And then we'll one day we'll take for the coding that high fine tuning using Hugging Face that Google BERT, and we'll move towards the transformer and all these things. हो गया क्या? आउटपुट आ रहा है सही से प्रिंस? चलो बढ़िया. दिस इज द कोड गाइस. यही एक्सपेक्टेशन है मेरा आपसे कि यू शुड बी वेरी स्मार्ट इन राइटिंग अ कोड. डेटा साइंस थोड़ा कम आया तो चलता. समझे क्या? ओके गाइस. ऑल पीपल यू ऑल्सो ट्राई गाइस, है ना? आप भी ट्राई करिए और देखिए. I don't have that image, है ना? So I won't get it. Fine. But you also try, guys, this one. We'll continue this session tomorrow. हाँ ठीक है. चलो guys, है ना? Fine. We'll continue this one more day, guys. We are covering the limited function. पूरा open CV we will not able to cover, guys, है ना? So whichever the functions are necessary for object detection kind of a thing, हम वो सारे करेंगे. Right? But guys, बहुत easy है compare to this one. I'm going, मैं intentionally maths के साथ जा रहा हूँ because you can code it from the scratch. ये हमारा शुरू से अप्रोच है. विल कंटिन्यू विद दैट. फाइन गाइस, देन बाय बाय.